Hi, and welcome back to this Cookiedad guide. In the previous video, we saw how to scan for and manage cookies. Now it's time to make your banner unique and seamlessly integrate it with your site's design. In this video, we'll explore the banner layout section, your command center for customizing every visual and textual aspect of the banner. The first thing to note is the powerful real-time preview. Any changes you make, whether to colors or text, will be displayed here instantly. This lets you experiment and see the final result without having to save and reload the page. In the right-hand column, you'll find all the options to customize the banner's appearance. You can change the background color, text, buttons, and even the toggles for cookie categories. Each section is organized intuitively. For example, in the buttons section, you can set the background color, text color, and hover effect for each individual button, such as accept or reject. Look how simple it is. I select a new color and there you have it. The button in the preview is updated. You can also customize the floating icon that users will use to reopen the banner. You can change its background color and the icon's color itself. And if you want to use your own logo or a specific icon, no problem. Activate the Use Custom Icon option to upload an SVG or PNG image directly from your media library. You can also adjust its size with a slider for a perfect fit. Now let's move on to the content. In the Customize Text section, you can modify every single word that appears in the banner. The first thing to do is select the language you want to edit. The banner is divided into 3 sections: Consent, which is the first screen users see; Customize, where they can choose cookie categories; and Information, with privacy details. Cookiedad also supports CCPA. With this simple selector, you can switch from GDPR mode to CCPA mode. The interface will automatically adjust, displaying the preview and text fields specific to the California regulation, allowing you to customize them independently. When you're happy with the result, don't forget to click Save Changes. If you'd rather start over, you have 2 options: Reset Styles to restore only the colors and graphic appearance to their default values, and Reset Text to clear all text customizations. Now you have all the tools to create a cookie banner that's not only compliant but also perfectly aligned with your brand identity. Thank you for following this guide. Visit our website for more tutorials and tips.